Hello everyone, welcome to imacooker channel. Today we are going to make one authentic Tamil Nadu South Indian sweet delicious recipe. It's called as sweet Pongal or Sarkarai Pongal. Pongal is known as a harvest festival in Tamil Nadu, and during the harvest times people used to make Pongal, which is a savory one, and there's a sweet one. So today we are going to make the sweet one, and I have added the ingredients in the description box. So let's get started. The first step we are going to do is dry roast the basmati rice and the moong dal, and we are going to saute it on a medium flame. Keep stirring it for 2 to 3 minutes until you get a nice aroma from the moong dal and the rice. Now you can turn off the stove, and I'm going to wash it for 2 times. After washing, let's transfer it to a cooker. Now let's add 4 cups of water. Now let's cover it and cook it for 3 whistles. The next step is we are going to melt the jaggery. For this I have taken 2 cups of jaggery. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Keep on stirring till all the lumps are melted. After 2 to 3 minutes of boiling, all my jaggery is melted. You can turn off the stove, and now we are going to strain it. Now the steam is released. Let's open up the cooker. Now give it a mix. You can see like everything is cooked perfectly. Now turn back the stove again and add the filtered jaggery. And keep the flame on a medium. Mix everything. Add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now we are going to add 1 cup of coconut milk. And give it a mix till everything is melted together. To another pan, add 3 tablespoons of ghee, and I have taken 12 cashew nuts. After a minute, let's add the raisins. After a minute, you can turn off the stove. Let's add the cashew nuts and raisins into the sweet pongal. Keep on mixing for a few minutes, and then you can turn off the stove. Now let's serve the sweet pongal or sarkarai pongal. Now let's try the recipe. So good, so tasty, brings back the memories of my childhood days. That's how excellent it is. And if you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and enjoy the sweet pongal. Thank you.